Hi planner friends, welcome back to my channel. Last week I had a video ready for all of you, but when I checked it was out of frame. So this whole week I've been trying to figure out how I can be in frame, and I think I finally got it. So yeah, I'm excited for this video. As you can tell, I already have my fall cover. You've seen this before, and I took off everything until June, so I took off half of the year because my planner was so bulky. But yeah, I'm very proud of myself because I finally used one planner, just one planner all year. Anyways, I'm very excited for today's video, so let's go ahead and jump to it, shall we? Alright, so this is how this week looks so far. Almost done. Today is Saturday. I'm filming this on a Saturday, so we will be doing the last week of August coming to September. And this week I was inspired by some gold and black stickers that I saw in this little sticker book. This is from the Happy Planner. I'm pretty sure all of you already know. I have a video showing you all of them, so if you want to see that video, I will put a link for that video down below. So I will be using these stickers, and I will be using this one. So I will be using the quote sticker. I will be using this one, and I will be using Tiny for the little extras. Hopefully there'll be enough. And I have this washi tape. I have this one. I don't think they go together, but I just grabbed them just in case. And I might use this little tiny one because it's black and white, whatever. So I might use that one. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. So I decided to do a voiceover because whenever I do I decided to do a talk through video, because whenever I do a voiceover, so when it's time to edit that video, it's a lot harder with Elijah and everything. So yeah, this is not gonna be every single week. If I can have a day where I finally film every single video that I want to film, could be for the month or anything, and I have someone to take care of Elijah, then I'll do a voiceover. So I'm very excited because I love this time of the year. I love fall time, and I love everything about fall. I love fall. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go for a black, gold, teal kind of look because I will have more full box stickers to put, and yeah, I really like that. So these stickers are really pretty, by the way. So I think I'm gonna go ahead. Okay, there's a lot of teal and gold, and there's a lot of black and gold, so that's very good. I mean, I'm gonna use this washi tape because I think it will go a lot better. I always want to use this washi tape because this is my favorite washi tape of all times. My favorite. But I mean, let's face it, I don't think it matches that well, so I'm gonna use some of this one. And I think that's about it. I think that's the only washi tape that I'm gonna use. I don't know about you guys, but lately I don't know what has been happening, but I just haven't been feeling washi tape that much. Like, I love washi and all that, but I'll try to incorporate it on my spreads, and I can't figure out what to do with it. I want to use it more, but I feel like the washi tape that I have is old, and I don't know, I just want new washi tape. I haven't been able to buy anything new, so maybe that's it. I don't know. Alright, I'm not gonna go too crazy with the washi. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting. Okay, so I think this one is so good for Monday. This one's awesome for Monday. Okay, let me So when I tried to figure out how to when I tried to figure out my planning setup, it was a mission. The camera fell on my head again. I don't know, that has been happening to me a lot, so I'm trying to avoid that, like I really am. This is pretty. Boss Babe Coffee and then the World. That is so cute. All right, like I want to use a lot of them, but I don't want to use them all. Do you know the struggle? All right, so I'm gonna hide the month here, and I'm gonna put this one that says Glam It Up. I think this one is absolutely beautiful. And oh my god, why does that happen every single time? Okay, so what do you planner girls use whenever this happens to you? Because I've seen some planner ladies taking off their stickers with some liquid thing. I don't know what that is. I don't have it, never bought it. You see, I cannot take it off. If I take it off, oh my god, but this bothers me. Alright guys, so I'm back. I am so mad that I messed up that sticker. Man, I hate it when that happens. Alright, so I'm just gonna get a different sticker then. So I'm gonna get this one. It matches pretty well with the polka dot washi tape at the bottom. Oh my god, if I don't damage it again. Okay, so this one says act like a lady, work like a boss. All right, so let me see, is it all straight? This is straight. All right, much better. Now I really love using these stickers. They are a lifesaver. Right, so looking through for other stickers, I found a Hello Weekend. So I'm just gonna place it here because this sticker is so pretty and it goes very well with the whole spread. All right. This one here that says never give up, and I'm gonna add some hearts around it. All right, and maybe I can add another heart. No, I think that's good. That's good for now. So I'm gonna add that one there, and I'm gonna keep on putting more full boxes. All right, so hopefully you got that because my camera stopped filming. Okay, so I have here another sticker that has some teal in it. Okay, and I want to use some of those gold stickers. Alright, so this one's pretty. I'm using this one here. I'm gonna put it down here, and this one says kindness changes everything. That's pretty. Alright, so okay, so I'm adding that circle there. This one here. Thought they would be pretty. This one's pretty. I'm gonna add this one here because it's Friday. And it says, "Hello Friday, I love you." Maybe I should, yeah, I'm gonna put it down here just in case I could write something up here. So far, I like it. I thought that I would have way more teal stickers. But the teal stickers that I'm finding, they are a lot darker than those there. I just hope that doesn't bother me. I'm not sure. Alright, so alright, so I keep looking to see if I find anything that's teal, and I didn't want to put the stickers that were too dark of a teal, but I think I found some little circles that are cute, because these are really cute to put down here. And I found a letter one, but I cannot find it right now. Alright, so as you can tell, I have scissors because I finally found a teal sticker, but it's too long. I don't want to mess up what I have going on. I'm gonna put it right here, and I think I will be done at that point because so I had to kind of trim it a little bit. And you can do this if you find something that you like, make it work for yourself. You don't have to do what it shows there. You can just make it yourself, fix it, add little flowers, add hearts, add whatever you think will work for you. And I think I like that. Yes. So I know myself. I know that throughout the week I'm gonna be adding checklists and all that great stuff, but so far this is how I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it as it is because I don't want to overdo it. I know I have some other gold stickers. I do wish I had more black. I don't have the new sticker books that the Happy Planner has, so I'm just gonna keep it like this because I like it so far how it is. So far for next week, I don't have any plans, but I do have my niece coming on Saturday from Czech Republic, and that is very, very exciting. And that's pretty much what I have so far. So I think I'm just gonna be adding stuff as the days go by. So I'm just gonna pop my pages inside my planner. Alright, so this is pretty much it for my spread. I hope you enjoy watching. I'm not really good at talk through videos because I don't know what to say. I mean, I cannot concentrate putting stickers and talking so much at the same time. But I really do hope you enjoy watching this video. I really miss sitting down and planning and talking to you all. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you did. And if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna try to keep up with my Sunday videos, I promise. Anyways, I will talk to you all soon on my next video. Bye!